Hello everyone, this is Tim with Gold Wars 2, and I wanted to show you what this was all about. Gold Wars 2 is a Guild Wars 2 gold investing tool. It helps you very quickly find items in the trading post, calculates profit percentages, and allows you to search by a series of filters including those percentages. So why don't I go ahead and just give you a demonstration of the tool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Alright, so first let's take a look at finding items. So I'm going to go ahead and click on items, and then let's go to crafting. Okay, so from here I can easily and simply type in the minimum and maximum profit percentages I want to search by. Or we can do an advanced search. To show you all the available options right now, let's go ahead and do an advanced search. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Toggle Advanced Search Filters, and we can see a lot of options. So let's make our minimum profit percentage by 8.5% and our maximum of 30%. Or let's do 35%. Okay. Our minimum buying of at least 10 copper, minimum supply and demand of at least 100, profit percentage want to sort by, highest first, or order by. I don't have any particular item name in mind, and I do want to only search crafting material for now. If we want to search multiple categories, that would not be a problem. Alright, let's go ahead and click Update. Okay, from here we can see it did indeed return everything that fit our criteria. Indeed, everything is above at least 10 copper, above 100 supply and demand, etc., etc. Each item is color-coded by profit percentage in the upper right-hand corner. If the lower this is, it might actually turn to be orange, yellow, and then eventually gray, meaning it's not profitable at all. We have demand and supply, and this S and D flag, that's very important. So let's say, for example, wow, great, I find Explorer's Hard Inscription. Looks like it's got a good buy, good sell, good profit margin percentage. Unfortunately, demand only 594 for this, while supply is over 3,000. I'd say shoot for the items that have a higher demand than supply and allows a bigger opportunity to dominate the market. And so even if an item looks profitable, well, demand and supply still dictates pretty well what might sell and what might not for what you're looking for. As you can see, you can very quickly find items at a high profit percentage, just like that. Once we refine our search, we can actually very quickly refer back to the entire result set. To do so, if we click on Save This Search up in the search area, it'll ask you to give a search a name. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in 8.5 to 35 crafting. Once we do so, we notice up here it increments from 3 to 4. And indeed, we can see down here, it says we just created it. Click on it again, and it brings it all back, which is great. We even allow pagination once you reach the end of the result set, which we're displaying, I think, up to 100 or 2 per page, which is quite a lot. You can always paginate. And say if, for example, you found an item that you really like, you can go ahead and add it to a custom list. To add a new list, you can go ahead and click on Create a New List on here on the right-hand side. And once a list is created, next to each item will be a plus icon anywhere across the site. So let's say I really like Wool Vestments panel here. Nice demand, good supply, nice D flag, got at least 30% profit margins, great. I go ahead and click on this plus icon. It asks me which list I want to add to. My first list is always selected by default. I can simply click on Submit, and there we go, it's changed. You can see up here it did indeed add it to it. Let's go ahead and do that again. Plus and Submit. Once again, 35. That's great. Click on it. You can see that it does indeed display everything inside the entire list, ordered by profit percentage highest. From here, for example, if you had, let's say, Onyx Fragment. This is not an item you'd only buy one of. If you want to buy in high quantities and want to figure out what that might cost you, I've added TP Calcs link in the top navigation. If you click it, It'll go ahead and follow you, and you go and type information you want. So let's say I want this to 54 silver, or 54 copper, 1 silver, 30 copper, indeed 43%. As we can see, this is rounded up. I actually display up to 2 points. Let's say in a supply of 2,500. So there we go. It cost me 13 gold, and the profit would be 14 back. That's great. So I think you could simply do that, rinse, repeat for as many items as you want in the list, and come back the next day and rinse and repeat. And that's a quick demonstration of the Gold Wars 2 application.
Click the link right below this video to get started. And remember, if you decide at any point within the 60 days that this isn't right for you, I'll send you a full refund, no problem. You'll just have my sincere thanks for at least giving it a try. So click the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.